Hey YouTube, so I just wanted to show you guys some contrast. So I have here a Diablo, show you the tag, a Diablo purple leaf 9-bark, and I propagated this little cute plant from my mom's yard, and this is what I ended up with. This is my starter plant. Now I wanted some dramatic contrast, and this right here is just perfect. I'm gonna back up and show you where I plan to put it. So here in the corner I have the 9-bark. Here I have a fountain grass, so that's gonna fill in that area. This guy eventually will fill up a little bit more, and then we'll have the little guy right there, and it will fill in really nice in that whole area. Now I back up, and here I have my hedge, lyciums in yellow going down, and right here I have a butterfly bush, the kaleidoscope, and hopefully with time this flower bed will fill in nicely. Thanks for watching.